Stop scrolling. These are the top 5 must-have watches every true watch lover needs in their collection. Let's go. Number 5. Rolex Submariner. The Rolex Submariner stands as an enduring icon in luxury watchmaking, a masterpiece of engineering and style born from Rolex's pioneering spirit in 1953. Introduced to the public at the Basel Watch Fair in 1954, it revolutionized diving watches as the first to offer waterproof resistance up to 100 meters, 330 feet, swiftly upgraded to $200 meters by 1954. Crafted from corrosion-resistant 904L stainless steel or luxurious gold in modern variants, this automatic timepiece features a unidirectional, rotatable bezel with Cerachrom ceramic insert, allowing divers to track immersion time safely by rotating only counterclockwise. Its trip-lock system crown, with a triple gasket for enhanced sealing, ensures robust waterproofing to an impressive 300 meters, 1,000 feet, in current models. Evolution defines the Submariner's legacy. Early references like the 6204 and 6205 boasted 37mm cases with pencil-style hands and glossy black dials marked by upside-down triangles at 12, batons at 3 to 6 to 9, and dots elsewhere. By the late 1950s, the 6538 introduced the iconic Mercedes hands and oversized crown, while the 5512 and 5513 added tritium-infused lume for visibility, replacing hazardous radium paint. Number 4. Omega Speedmaster. The Omega Speedmaster, affectionately known as the Moonwatch, stands as a pinnacle of horological excellence. A luxury chronograph wristwatch that has transcended time since its introduction in 1957 by Omega SA. Born not for the stars, but as a sport and racing chronograph, it built on Omega's legacy as the official timekeeper for the Olympic Games, evolving from early AUS models like the Omega 28.9. The first reference, CK 2915, featured the Omega AUS Calibre 321 movement, developed in 1946 by Albert Piguet of Lemania, Omega's acquired subsidiary. Its hallmark design includes a 12-hour triple-register chronograph layout, domed plexiglass crystal, Hesalite, high-contrast index markers, and a brushed stainless steel tachymeter bezel, with early versions using broad arrow hands. Over iterations, models like CK2998 introduced a black aluminum bezel, while ST 105.012 and later 105.003 adopted alpha hands and baton hands, culminating in the asymmetrical professional case, Refer 105.012, for better chronograph protection. Technically, the Speedmaster Professional boasts a manual winding movement, starting with Calibre 321, 18,000 VPH, and evolving to Calibre 861 in 1968, to 21,600 VPH, cam mechanism replacing column wheel, and modern variants like Calibre 1861, rhodium-plated, decorated exhibition options, and the 2021 updated Calibre 3861 with coaxial escapement and master chronometer certification. Number 3. Patek Philippe Nautilus. The Patek Philippe Nautilus stands as an enduring icon in luxury, watchmaking, a masterpiece that blends nautical elegance with unparalleled craftsmanship. Launched in 1976, this revolutionary timepiece was designed by the legendary Gerald Genta, transforming from an anomaly in Patek Philippe's catalog into its most coveted model. Inspired by the fictional submarine Nautilus from Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, it embodies maritime adventure with a porthole-shaped case, complete with side ears mimicking ship hinges. The original reference 3700 featured an 8-sided bezel, a softer take on Genta's Royal Oak design, for Audemars Piguet housed in a massive 42mm stainless steel case, earning it the Jumbo moniker. Water-resistant to 120 meters, it positioned the Nautilus as a robust sports watch, powered by the ultra-thin Jaeger-LeCoultre caliber 28-255C. Its blue-black dial showcased horizontal sailor stripes via grooved patterns, simple baton markers, luminous except at 12 o'clock with doubles, and a date window, all paired with an integrated stainless steel bracelet. Over time, the Nautilus has evolved while retaining essentials like the porthole case, rounded octagonal bezel, grooved dial, and metal bracelet. Current models exemplify Patek Philippe's fusion of luxury and innovation. Number 2. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak stands as a revolutionary icon in luxury watchmaking introduced in 1972 and forever transforming the industry by birthing the luxury sports watch category. Designed by the legendary Gerald Genta at the request of Audemars Piguet's managing director Georges Gollet, this timepiece was sketched in a single night, drawing inspiration from antique diving helmets. Debuted at the Basel Fair, the original ref. 5402 ST, affectionately dubbed the Jumbo for its bold 39mm case, featured an octagonal bezel with 8 hexagonal screws, a hobnail-patterned tapisserie dial, available in petite, grande, or mega variant, and a seamless integrated bracelet, all crafted in stainless steel. Despite its avant-garde silhouette, hefty CHF 3,650 price, exceeding many gold dress watches, and initial market resistance, it quickly gained traction, inspiring competitors like Vacheron Constantin, Girard Perregaux, and Patek Philippe to enter the steel sports arena. What makes the Royal Oak truly defining are its signature traits: the octagonal bezel for a bold, recognizable profile, exposed hexagonal screws, the textured tapisserie dial evoking hobnail patterns, and the integrated bracelet ensuring effortless wearability. Reference suffixes denote materials: ST for steel, BA for yellow gold, BC for white gold, OR for rose gold, PT for platinum, TI for titanium, simplifying identification. Number 1. Tag Heuer Monaco. The Tag Heuer Monaco stands as one of the most recognizable watches of the 20th century, an icon that blends bold history with modern precision. Introduced in 1969, it marked a revolutionary leap for Heuer with the world's first mass-produced automatic ED chronograph movement, the Caliber 11. This square-cased marvel, famously worn by Steve McQueen in the film Le Mans, captured the essence of automotive racing and Hollywood cool, cementing its cultural footprint. Design-wise, the Monaco exudes timeless audacity. Its geometric 39mm case, inspired by dashboard instruments, features a fixed bezel with tachymeter scale, paired with a sleek dial often in striking colors like black or blue housing bold hour markers and leaf-shaped hands. The modern Tag Heuer Monaco, Refer CW2111, honors this heritage while enhancing wearability. The crown shifts to the right side for conventional use, and it boasts 100 meters of water resistance.